Welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're going to be tackling the bottom part of my deck. If you missed me doing the upper deck, then make sure that you go check that out as well. I will link it in the comments and also put it in the description for the video. So these chairs I found on Facebook Marketplace for $25. It was 2 for $25. And so I'm going to be spray painting them and cleaning them up. And then the white vanity table was an old table that I had myself, and I gave it to my daughter, and she bought her a bigger one. So I am going to take the mirror off and use it as just a extra table down in the bottom of my deck. I will be spray painting that as well. If you're new here, thank you for stopping in. I hope that you decide to stick around and join my YouTube family. And if you're not new, thank you for supporting me. You will see throughout this video that a lot of my stuff I shop my home for. That's something that I normally do when I do a project or do something like this. I like to shop my home first. And because I know that I used to buy a lot of decor, I used to buy a lot of stuff, and now that stuff, either I no longer use it or I've never used it. So I have went through my garage looking for things, and then I did buy a couple of items, but the bulk of this stuff was stuff that I already had. So this is a potting bench, but it also can be used as a grilling station. So I've had it for about 2 years, I think. It's been up. It was up in my top deck, and I never used it for my. I bought it for the potting because if you know, then I propagate plants a lot, and I have over 50 plants in my house, by the way, live plants. But I still always did it on the inside. I never came out to the outside to do the potting and all that stuff. So I decided to bring it downstairs to use it for my deck, the bottom deck, for grilling purposes. And this is one of the items that I shop my home for. I bought these years ago and I have never used them. I actually took the tag off as right before I put it on. But I got those from Hobby Lobby a long time ago. So I decided to change the knob and add that onto the little table. This rug, if you're not new, you know this rug was in my kitchen. I decided that I didn't like it in my kitchen, so I am going to be using it down here. I don't know if I'm going to regret this, but it is one of those washable rugs where you can put it in the washing machine. So, but I wanted to separate this space down here. Space is actually bigger than my upper deck. So I wanted to separate and have like a sitting area, and then like an area for eating and just, cooking and all that. So that's what the goal is with this makeover. Of course, these cushions are new and they were in those little sealed tight bags. So it's taken a minute for it to get its shape, but eventually it will be thicker than what it looks like right now. So if you're wondering, yes, they look thin, but they have to do their thing and air out from being smashed with the air in one of those seal tight packaging. And this rug is also new. I got this rug from Amazon, and if it's anything that I purchased that I can link, it will be in the description below. I grouped everything that I had purchased or I have used for my deck that I bought from Amazon. It's all in one under one link and on my Amazon storefront. So I will make sure to put that in the description as well. This is one of those waterproof rugs, and I love these. They last a long time. It was time for me to change out the ones that I had, and plus my dog peed on the one that was down on the bottom, so I needed to get rid of it because once they go, they will continue to go, and I was just not trying to have that happen. So that's that. And other than that, these those faux leather pillow covers, y'all know I had those on my sofa, and those I moved them off my sofa and they were sitting in the garage. So I decided to bring them out, to put them out, use them for my decor. This sign came from Amazon years ago. This was included in one of my other makeovers when I did my deck on the bottom. I think it was about 2 years ago. And then these utensils that I'm hanging up, they came from Hobby Lobby the same time I got the sign. I got those the same year, so I've had them for a couple of years, and I've got them on clearance. So, but yeah, I try to, if I do buy something, I try to get it on clearance as well. right, y'all, this is the outcome of this makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If there's something that you like, let me know in the comments. Even if it's something that you just want to comment, just let me know. If you need to know where something came from, anything, just leave me a comment. Even leave me an emoji. I love to know that you guys stopped by. And also make sure to like, comment, share, and hit that hype button, the new feature hype button. It really helps me out a lot. It goes a long way. And I just wanted to say thank you guys for watching, and I will chat with you all below. Thank you.